That's either a speech of welcome or an announcement of our imminent death.
Dalokay. Unajua Kiswahili? Weni moi Kikuyu.
I wasn't very successful. They don't understand the usual dialects.
Have you seen white man, Curtis?
Wait a minute. This is the place. This is it. Look. Look on the king's forehead. You know what that is? That's an uncut diamond.